dancing on the
Come on, dude. Please. Come with me. Oh, there you go. In, my king. Good boy. Alright, second day and second attempt at getting this thing deflooded. So after doing some research, there's just so many videos about this happening to the 13B. Specifically the RX8, it's actually really simple to deflood the engine. And all you really have to do is, to make it easy, first off, take out the fuel cell. Some people go into the rear seat under here. They just unclip the fuel pump. Eddie's taking the liberty of taking out the driver's side wheel, and that gives you an easy access to the bottom spark plugs right there, which Eddie also already took off. Maybe I should just get some new spark plugs anyway. All right, so that's out. Those are out. Literally, get throttle on, or pushed all the way down, and then just crank the car. Really shouldn't be breathing this in actually, and it's all over the lens. You can taste it. But the goal is to get all of that excess white stuff out of there. Should be clear, so it might take several tries. Yeah, so clutch in and throttle all the way pressed down as well. Go for it. Yeah. It's actually getting clearer, but I'm getting super lightheaded. Like, I'm huffing right now. Oh my God. Yeah, no, it's definitely getting there, man. Yeah.
Not as bad as the first time though. Like when you go and replay the video, you'll just see like...
But that's what we have the HVAC system for. Now just replace the spark plugs. The fuel cell fuse back in. You can give it a shot. Crossing my fingers, guys, that this was the proper process of deflooding your rotary engine. He's in there. All right, man, and if this does work, it's gonna smoke like crazy, so you got the garage doors open. Yeah, sorry, Angus. All his stuff is there. So every time you take out the fuse, you gotta tap the brake several times and watch the oil needle to fluctuate. Okay, here we go. Oh my God! It almost ran on its own power.
Yeah, the spark plugs work pretty bad.
That might actually be it, man. And we've been doing this all day yesterday, so it was really close, guys. Okay, I'm gonna quickly run over to the hardware store or the auto parts store and grab some new spark plugs, possibly some oil as well, because we've never done an oil change on this ever since we bought it. So yeah, TLC maintenance day. Let's get it. So process to deflooding a 13B, insanely easy on an RX8. The spark plugs that you need access to are right there, and they're easy to get to if you take off the driver's side wheel. Take out the fuel cell fuse, pull the spark plug coils. Take out the spark plugs.
for one of the banks, it will say on the engine itself, right beside the plug, it'll say L, and then the L goes in the L,
that's
and the
what
T.
the L is for. Oh,
Yeah, and the T goes with the
gotcha.
T. Yeah,
You guys gotta really keep this in mind.
Yeah, but they're f***ing expensive, yo.
Don't worry, I got it. I got you, man. Thank you for doing that, homie. Sonny went and picked up some new spark plugs for us. Two completely different. L for leading, T for trailing. He got sent to like 3 different stores, but luckily they caught it.
Yeah, that's the only thing that matters, that somebody caught it, right?
Yeah, man, appreciate
so
it.
For a reason.
And we got some, what is this, 10W30?
Very viscous.
Viscous.
Yes, a very tech boy.
Alright, let's go ahead and install these guys.
Oh, okay.
So new spark plugs in, coils back in place, fuel self-fuse. A real moment of truth here. So reset the system. I'm literally pushing the brake. There it is. Okay, here we go. Pray to the JDM gods.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Oh! Yo! Good job, fellas! Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, it's gonna get quite smoky. Ah! But we did it! Learning new things every day.
Good.
That's pretty bad.
It looks good.
Mmm.
Smoke weed every day. I called it. That was like Spark, man.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, that's what that OBD2 sensor thing said too. I'm happy. Oh,
It's
yeah.
purring like a kitten now. It sounds really good, yo.
At least we know how to deflood 13B now. Oh my god.
Is it just me, or does this smell really good?
It actually does, man. It's like the smell of paint. Some people think it's like super toxic smelling
Yeah.
or metallic. I don't know. It's really hard to.
It smells good.
So just chilling in it. Ideally, you should just have this running outside, but we got the HVAC system going. We're just gonna be moving it right here anyway to get started on the coils. And I guess while it's on the 2-post, that's when we can do the oil change as well. Learning more about this thing every single day. But luckily, it wasn't blown apex seals like everyone else said. Saves us a lot of money. It actually sounds healthy and feels like it started up way better than when I first got it even. So I think we actually fixed it to a better state. Because the thing is, this RX8 is actually pretty low mileage. 100,003 to be exact. Check engine lights on, but I think that was pretty much it. Was replace the spark plugs because coil 2 was misfiring. You guys want to hear what the Greddy exhaust sounds like? Oh, that intake sounds sick too. Yeah. Oh, back tire. The intake whine sounds good too. Also, we found the problem to our E36 right there. Why it wasn't breathing properly. So, we got Gorilla Tape. Eddie, wanna do the honors? And I have that on the bottom there, but at least it's a little support on the bottom. And then we tried to super glue this accordion piece right here, but hopefully that works.
Vacuum hose underneath, it's also got a crack in it, so I think if you just cut it off. That's so sick.
Holy shit!
Oh my god!
Yeah, whatever you guys just did, it breathes way better. This is half put together with zip ties. You're just having a rev battle with our neighbors. But no, that's a good sign, man. We'll probably finish the rest of this after we finish up the Celica in the next week or so. All other PTG owners, I've talked to them and it's just really tough finding good fitment for the rear. You need like 18 by 13 or 19 by 13s. Right now, she kind of looks ugly duckling, but you guys just wait and see. This is gonna look so mint. Actually came with these dampener extension cords. Everything seems to be intact. So just take our wheels off and we can begin. Not the first time we've done coilovers, but the first time we'll be using a 2-post. Why did we wait so long? By the way, we bought this used, so it does look a little abused, but my idea was to clean it up maybe in the next week or so. Repaint it and I don't know, probably throw a Supreme sticker on it or something, because it has the potential and she still works like a beaut. So yeah, no, this thing is heaven sent. Alright, so once you get in behind here, just want to loosen all your lines, all the bolts. Probably be a smart idea to just hit some of the bolts with WD-40 and wait a couple minutes. So then we're going to simply unloosen the bolts in the trunk. Now you have access to the bolts and the rear coils. And these guys are 14 millimeter. So once you got the 2 bolts on the top, there's also the one down here. And you just got to loosen this bolt right here. Tight?
Yeah. For safety reasons.
Yeah. You can lower it anytime. So then you got one of the coils out. Sweet. Here's the difference. So I mean, this guy's already like sits an inch lower. We on a ocean like that. We on a ocean like that. This is the time. Good job, brother. That works. Slick, Eddie. Alright, so this is the oil we're going to be using. 10W30. Apparently this is what they recommend for the Renesis engine. Renesis. Well, it's just the height once it's on the ground. It's just because, for a fact, these wheels will not clear.
I say screw the fender liner and just go full tilty boy.
Beautiful.
And this little baby filter.
You want to grab a little bit of oil and just put it on the ring here. That's nothing.
You're down another half inch.
Oh, that was easy.
Where's that WD?
Ah, PR.
Alright, so we lowered all the sides by about an inch. What?
You go way lower.
Okay. That's all the way to the ground. We do have the option to bring it a little lower. Just I don't want to ruin my brand new front bumper. But other than that, guys, really all we're waiting on is the Lions kit. Technically it's called the Rocket Vanya. And then that's pretty much it. Once the kit is on, bring it to paint. kind of finesse everything. With this lighting, you can see all the imperfections, dude. I'm seeing so many dents. Maybe that's something I still have to address. But we might actually end up getting a carbon hood for this. It depends. We'll figure out logistics and all of the rules, and we'll make that available for you guys on my social media and also on our website. May 1st, guys. That's when our giveaway for the RX8 officially begins. I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna just end this video. Appreciate you for watching, as always. And if you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with notification button tick. Drop some likes, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Peace.
I've been alone for what seems like forever. Try to hold it together, but I'm losing my grip. I need someone who can make me feel better.
You do need to use blocks.